Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video for you all. I'm going to be doing like a chilled chit chat, get ready with me for going to a concert, and I'm going to be like doing my hair, makeup, outfit. It's like a full get ready with me, and I literally have no clue what I'm going to wear, what nail colour I'm going to have, what hair I'm going to have, and what makeup I'm going to have. So this is going to be stressful. I've got 2.5 hours and I'm going to see Bruno Mars at Hyde Park in London, so yeah, I want to look extra. I've seen him before. But yeah, before we get started, hit the subscribe button down below, get this video to 500 thumbs up, so give it a like. But yeah, let's get started. My first issue is my nails. Okay, so I started rubbing off the nail polish, but I had acrylics done a long time ago, and I'm waiting for the end of school to get them redone again because I actually got told off, so I had to try and chop them down. And then I got annoyed with some of them, so I just took some of them off, as you can see, yet some of them are still a bit on. Yeah, they're really dirty, I know. So they look a bit gross, and that used to be diamantes. The diamantes fell off, now it just looks like holes in my nails, I don't even know. And then I got bored and painted them, and now I picked the nail polish off, so my nails are not having a good life at the moment. And I think the first thing I'm going to do is, oh, should I do my nails last? No. I think I'm going to rub off the nail polish first. Okay, so I've actually finished my nails, and I used the CoverGirl Glossy Days in the shade #RavenHot 650, and they look a lot more fresh and better. Anyway, yeah, this is the nail varnish, so it looks quite cute, but my nails are grim. But from a distance, like from a big distance, Bruno Mars is going to be loving my nails. I don't know what to do. I always get dressed last. That's just the way I do things. I don't know if to do my hair first or my makeup first, because if I do my makeup first, then it might not last as long, if that makes sense, but I suppose it wouldn't really make that much difference. But I'm going to do Dutch braids, and then basically I'm going to put like glitter in the middle. Yeah, I think I'm going to do my hair first. God, I don't know how to decide this. Dutch braids. I'm going to do like a time lapse, so you can watch me doing my Dutch braids. Okay, I've done my hair, and I've had to put a few bobby pins in it, or whatever you call them. But I like it, but it's a bit annoying because that one's like a lot chubbier than that one. Oh well, they're my unique braids. Okay, now obviously we're doing makeup, and I don't know how much time I've got left, so that's not great. I'm going at 2:30. Okay. Oh, sorry, we've got like an hour and 10 minutes. Oh god, that is actually not long. Okay, so I might actually change my hair into a different hairstyle, but for now we're going to leave them like this. And also I know I have a massive bald patches there. It's because I tried to cut myself a fringe when I was younger. Didn't work, as you can see. Anyway, yeah, I'm taking my P. Louise base Roomer, and then I just carve out my eyebrows. Just the bottoms of them, because I don't actually fill them in anymore. So, because I just prefer natural eyebrows. Yeah, people were getting really triggered over it.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fun wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some Robins, and he's playing Batman, but he's gonna rob him. Yeah. I got the Glock in my Robin. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Robin. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. This soda. Women boys.
Stop. I need to choose what eyeshadow palette. Okay, so I've decided, because it's like kind of like a festival. It's more like a festival than a concert. Technically, it's not a festival, but you know what I mean? Because it's outside, and like my best friend, I'm going with Mia. She's like putting glitter on her eyes and that, so I was like, oh, I do the same. So I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil. And deal with that as a little pigeon. I like pigeons, they're cute. Okay, what colour scheme should we do? I'm going to do some pink, I think. Ooh, fancy. I don't even know what I'm wearing yet. I need to match it with my outfit. Why do I do this to myself? Okay, so what I've decided to do is use this shimmer shadow as well. It's from GMS Beauty, and it's in the shade Dream. It's like a single pressed shadow, but it's like falling apart a little bit, but that's fine because it just shows it has pigmentation. Am I right? I don't think so. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to actually start out with in my BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I don't know why I tried to do an accent, didn't work, did not work. I'm going to just take this shade here, they don't have names, but it's this one here. Use my Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease, which is like a perfect crease brush.
You say you love me, but I don't think that is true. It's all for you, all that I do. It's hard to escape all the problems in your brain, but it's okay when things don't go your way. I said, girl, don't lose your faith, 'cause you won't always.
Okay, now I'm going to do that on that eye. I know I'm looking a little bit crazy, but don't worry, you always wipe it away after, or you could just leave it, but I'm not. And now I'm going to deepen the outer corner up by using the shade, well, they don't have names like I said, that shade there, that darkish pink colour.
I'm not the bad 1730. No diggity, darling. I like the way you work it. You better bag it up. No diggity, darling. I'm about to bag it up.
Like that, and then we just need to wipe it away. Oh. Okay, this is like the most simple eye look I've done in a long time, and I'm not sure if I like it, but you know what? It's not the end of the world. We're gonna look cute in the end, hopefully. Probably not. Why am I trying to be inspirational? You're not inspirational, somewhat. Okay, now I'm going to take my P. Louise base and do like a half cut crease as usual. Looking like a unicorn. I actually am living for this eye makeup now. It's very, very simple, but look at that. You can't beat a good shimmer. Okay, looking cute. My e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer, and then I'm just going to put it on my face, obviously, like that, because I love this primer so much. Okay, now I'm going to use my, by the way, I'm sorry this isn't as chatty as I hope, but just take it as a tutorial then. This is the Colourpop No Filter Foundation in the shade Light 75. I think it's going to be a bit dark to match my neck, but we're going to put tons of concealer on and it will like lighten it a lot. And I'm going to use my Sigma F80 Flat Kabuki. It doesn't really match my neck, but you know what, when we put the concealer on, it might be pale enough to match my neck, so let's just see how it goes. Now I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Fair 02. Like, do this with it. Why is that going so cakey? Great. And that's not good. And then I'm going to put some on my chin and on my forehead. Yeah. Looked at the state of my face and I cannot, like physically cannot bring myself to wear that foundation, so we're just going to rub it all off and start again. Not my eye makeup, because I'm not taking my eye makeup off and starting that again. Oh my god, you know what? You know one of them days where you just sit down and you're like, this is going to be one of them days where makeup just doesn't, like, you know when you just don't know what you're doing anymore in life. Not in life, that was a bit over the top. Okay, right, I just need to put some more of this primer on, and I'm just going to go with the flow, you know what? Quick and steady wins the race. I can't even speak properly now. Wins the race. Actually, you can't be slow and steady because I'll be late. We don't want to be slow and late. Slow and steady makes you late. That is the new quote of the year, God. Okay, so I don't know whether to just go all over my skin with just a concealer, because I've been doing that for school and it looks fine in my opinion, but then I don't know if to just use the foundation. Help a gal out with a concealer, shall we? We can always rub it off if we don't like it. We're going to use the Doll 10 Hydra Balm Precision Concealer. Triangle. We're doing some learning. We're learning our shapes today. Which is the light one. A tiny bit of the light one under our eye. I literally don't know what to do because I don't use powder because it will just cake my face up. as always, because powder just makes me look cakey. So what I'm gonna do is just, I'm not gonna bake, I'm just gonna go all over with like a light thing. Actually I will bake, I lied. Like a tiny bit though. Actually I'm not gonna bake, I'm just gonna wipe it straight away. Okay. God, what is wrong with me? Okay, looking remotely cute. I'm running out of time, so I just quickly contoured with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit and then the highlighted with the Becca Vanilla Quartz highlighter. Yeah, cute, nice. So I redid my hair and tried to look cute, but ended up looking like Princess Leia from Star Wars. But you know what? Nothing's wrong with Princess Leia. I mean, Princess Leia, I don't really, but you know. Actually, this hair's kind of cute, so I just did like a Dutch braid. It's very messy, but it's like it's meant to be messy. Well, it wasn't, but I'm saying it's meant to be messy. So I act like professional, you know, right. And like into these 2 buns that look a bit weird, and then I got some like strands. You know what, I'm liking it, and I want to put lashes on, but I don't, because then they'll get annoying me, so I'm not going to wear lashes. So yeah, now we gonna go find an outfit, and I need to do like my body highlighter. Oh, I need to put like gems in my hair. Okay, so we're going like, a cheeky bit of vlog style. So okay, right, I'm a little bit worried. I'm going to do like the thing in my hair. Hang on, I'll show you in the mirror. Okay, so my hair actually looks like this. Looking a little bit like Princess Leia. Oh yeah, this is what I'm wearing, by the way. Where's it from? I can't remember where's it's from. Oh, Zaffle. I think it's from Zaffle. I'll link it down below from remember. But yeah, it's like a little cheeky play suit. Yeah, looking cute. My legs are 2 different colours, but that's alright. It's fine. I'm looking like Prince Leia. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, I'm going to do some glitter in my hair, but I got this Barry M glitter fixie gel, so I'm thinking maybe just pour, why won't it focus? There you go. Pour that in my hair. Does that make sense? Pour that in my hair. No, oh, I got it ruin my hair though, won't it? Oh well, we can wash it tonight. And then I've got some like glitters. I've got other glitters as well. No, I haven't. They're in my room. So I'm thinking of this one. It's like GMS Beauty. It's called Cindy. And then this gold one from, I don't know, like a cheap thing on eBay. And then this House of Sparkles one in Dull. But then they look a bit weird together, I suppose. So I'm thinking maybe just do pinks. I don't know. Send help. Actually, don't send help. I'm good. I'm not good at all. Let's go into my little drawer of Lifter. Okay, which one have we got in here? Okay, right, I'm going to take this. Because it's cool. Oh no. And then, you know what? It will be worth it because we'll look cute as, so we'll just go with it. And then that one. Let's go. Right, we're sitting back in the little seat. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm really scared, not going to actually lie to you all. I don't know whether to just put this in my hair and go for it because oh, it's dripping. It's dripping. Yeah, should I just go for it? Or like, I don't know. Will it ruin my hair? Will it? Oh, it doesn't smell very good. It smells like when you get your braces. Oh my god, it actually does. It smells like things you get your braces stuck on with. Oh god, I hope it's not the same thing. Oh well. Should we just do it? Right, we're going to do it. I did it. It's too late. Oh gosh. My head stings. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, right, you know what? It's fine. We're good. It's going to look like like loads of dandruff in my hair. Yeah, that's not going to work. We need to have that glitter glue. We're going for it. It's too late. No changing our minds now. Jesus Christ. What is wrong with me? No, actually, it looks quite cute, I'm not going to lie. It don't look cute. I look like a dandruff fairy, like I said a million times. Okay, right. Oh my god, this is stressful. I don't think you realise how stressful this is. Okay, there's a lot more stressful things in the world, so I'm going to stop acting like a drama queen. I feel like a professional, you know. There's not much we can do about that, I'm sorry. This isn't actually like a full-on festival though, and I'm going to turn up there looking like I'm coming to bloody Coachella. Cute. Oh, everything's falling off. Okay, right. I'm stressed. I am stressed. it's like one of them things you don't know when to stop. Like, I've got too much in my hair now, and I'm starting to look like I've got like a snowstorm dandruff, or is it like I need more? I don't know.